Hello students, in the previous lecture we have studied oxazole ring. Now today we will discuss a new heterocyclic ring, that is thiazole. Thiazoles are 5-membered heterocyclic compounds consisting of nitrogen and sulfur as heteroatoms. Structure of thiazole, as you can see in this structure, there is one position at sulfur and there is nitrogen at third position. Now how we will synthesize thiazole in the labs? Now first is condensation of alpha chlorocarbonyl compounds with thiamides. Thiazoles can be synthesized by condensing alpha chlorocarbonyl compound with thiamides, as you can see in this reaction. Alpha chlorocarbonyl compound, when treated with thiamides, resulted in removal of HCl and water and form thiazole ring with the substitutions. Second, from alpha acyl amino carbonyl compounds, also known as Gabriel synthesis. This method involves heating of alpha acyl amino carbonyl compounds with phosphorus pentasulfide. As you can see in this reaction, alpha acyl amino carbonyl compound with P2S5 forms 2-amino 5-alkyl thiazole. Now last synthesis is condensation of alpha chloroketones with ammonium dithiocarbonate. Thiazoles may be prepared by condensing alpha chloroketones with ammonium dithiocarbonate. As you can see in this reaction, carbonyl compound when treated with ammonium dithiocarbonate forms 2-mercaptothiazole. Now, what are different chemical reactions of thiazole ring? First is electrophilic substitution reaction. Thiazole undergo electrophilic substitution reactions. The reactivity of thiazole is intermediate to pyridine and thiophene. That means thiazole's reactivity is in between pyridine and thiophene. It is resistant to substitution reactions, but if electron donating group, for example hydroxyl or amino, is present at position 2, then thiazole readily undergoes the following substitution reaction. As you can see in this reaction, 2-hydroxythiazole when brominated forms 5-bromo-2-hydroxythiazole. Thiazole with N-bromosuccinamide forms 2-bromosuccinithiazole. Thiazole with sulfuric acid or mercuric sulfate forms 2-bromothiazoles and 5-sulfonic acid. Now nitration of thiazole is difficult, but it cannot be nitrated even under vigorous conditions. However, 2-nitrothiazole is obtained from 2-aminothiazole by the following scheme. As you can see in this reaction, thiazole on treated with sodium amalgam or sodamide forms aminothiazoles, 2-aminothiazoles, which upon diazotization forms 2-nitrothiazole. Now, reaction with nucleophile. Thiazole is susceptible for nucleophilic attack at C2 position. For example, thiazole gives 2-aminothiazoles with potassium amide in liquid ammonia. Thiazoles on treated with potassium amide forms 2-aminothiazoles. Thiazoles on reaction with N-butyl lithium forms 2-lithium thiazole. Now, reaction with acids. Thiazoles form stable crystalline salts with strong acids. The lone pair of electron on the nitrogen of thiazole is not involved in aromatic extract and thus available for protonation. As you can see in this reaction, thiazole on reaction with HCl or any acid forms protonated to form this protonated thiazole or salt. Now, reaction with oxidizing agent. As you can see in this oxidizing and reducing agent, thiazole ring is resistant to some oxidizing, for example nitric acid, and reducing agents. However, potassium permanganate and Raney nickel opens the ring. For example, 4-phenyl thiazole with hydrogen or Raney nickel forms 1-phenyl ethylamine, opens the ring and forms 1-phenyl thiamine. Now, medicinal compounds which are obtained from thiazole ring. First is thiobendazole. Thiobendazole is effective against threadworms, strongyworms, and Trichostrongus worms, hookworms and roundworms. The structure is, as you can see in this diagram. Now tetramesol, chemically tetramesol is 2,3,5,6 tetrahydro 6 phenyl imidazole thiazole. Tetramesol is an anthelmintic effective against roundworms infection. Now next is niridazole. Niridazole is used to treat guinea worm infections. It is also has anti-amoebic activity. You can see the structures of this nitridazole. Last is sulfothiazole. Sulfothiazole is used for the topical treatment of vaginal infections. It is also used to treat skin infections. You can see the structures of this sulfothiazoles. So this is all about thiazole ring. Thank you.